Those are great, absolutely. But a jack stand or a wheel always goes with me as a backup. Never trust one safety.
Real tech nights are not TV shows.
Welcome everybody to the Governor's Garage. I'm Kyle Feltz, I'm the governor of the Capital City Corvette Club, and tonight we're on our way to a tech night. I've tried to bring them back. We throw some tools in the back, sometimes go work on other people's cars, sometimes they come over to my house and work on my cars, sometimes they bring their cars to my house. But tonight we're going on location with the QuickJacks, and we are doing a set of shocks, springs, end links, I'm not sure what else on a C6. But we're basically doing a suspension freshening here. And you know, this is the other great thing about being in a club, these tech nights, when a couple of the gearheads get together and we help each other work on cars. You help me, I help you kind of deal. But one of the beautiful things about being in this club is we all support each other. So whether it's shocks and springs or radio or installing a new splitter, it could be anything, but we like to get together and work on our cars. There's wheels back here.
Drag it in, huh?
You get the idea? Alrighty.
This is really the whole idea. A tech night does not have to be fancy. Sometimes it is just a garage door going up, a car getting lifted, and a few friends showing up with tools. On this night, the project was a C6 suspension freshening, springs, shocks, and end links. The internet already has plenty of how-to videos. This is about the part that does not always show up in the instructions. The people. Somebody brings tools, somebody brings experience, somebody brings questions, somebody brings the part you forgot, and somebody is mostly there for the supervision and refreshments. And that counts too. This is where club culture happens. Not always at a meeting, not always at a car show. Sometimes it happens while one person is under the car, one person is handing tools, and three more are standing around trying to remember how the other side came apart. And here is my number one repair tip for working on your Corvette. Join a club and invite them over. That is it. You can buy tools, you can watch videos, you can read forums all night. But there is something different about having Corvette people there with you. Someone sees what you missed, someone has done it before, someone learned something new, someone always tells a story, and before long, it's not one person working on one car, it's a club helping a member get a project done.
All right, everybody, it's back at it, day 2. We actually just finished our board meeting. Now we're on our way back over to Kevin's house here. We're gonna finish the car. He said he's already got the rear spring in, so he's already got some work done. So we're gonna go over here, see where we're at, get this thing put back together.
And like most real garage projects, this one took a second night. That is part of it too. Real tech nights are not TV shows. Sometimes the job runs long. Sometimes the car fights back. Sometimes you come back the next day after a board meeting and pick up where you left off. But people show up, that matters. The car gets better, the club gets stronger, and everybody there became part of the story. That is why we came for the cars, but we stay for the people. The Corvette gives us a reason to gather, the people give us a reason to come back.
Well, that's job done. 2 nights. C6 suspension overhaul.
A few friends, some basic tools, and one more reminder of why Corvette clubs still matter. Remember to wave.